How can I awaken love within my heart? I think one of the most important questions we can ask ourselves is, how can I awaken love within my heart? Love is the sensation of unity that we feel with all beings, and when our heart is open, everyone and everything is seen as a family, is seen as our own self. When you look at another being, what do you see? Do you create an image of them, and then feel some kind of emotion or reaction according to your own self-created image? Do you see the circumstances, or the body that being is in? Or do you see them as they truly are? Do you look at them as another living being, just like you, with their own experiences, joys and hardships? Judgment and fear are what keeps us away from love. When our brains are clouded by judgment, how can we see with the eyes of love? If you want to awaken the love that already exists inside you, become conscious of your thoughts. Examine what hinders you from embracing things as they are, and what inhibits you from opening up to life. Do you accept yourself as you are, or do you judge yourself? Do you treat yourself with kindness, or with malice? Whatever we hold within is what we project outwards, so to discover love in the world, first realize it within yourself. When you awaken the love within your heart, then it becomes almost impossible to harm or mistreat another, because you no longer see any difference between you and other living beings. Only one universal energy exists, and it reveals itself in each of us. When you become conscious of this energy within yourself, you will see that it is also present in everyone and everything else. Then there's love, which offers happiness, fulfillment, and peace. As the great Sufi poet Rumi pointed out, we do not need to chase love. All we have to do is acknowledge and release the internal boundaries that prevent love from entering our lives. When our hearts are open, love flows easily. When we live in fear, though, our hearts remain closed. Take a look inside. Look for what needs to be healed, and offer it the love and attention it deserves. When you realize that love exists inside you, you will be able to share it with the rest of the world.